Hey friends, it's your local Moscow mortgage lender, Brandon Allen with Summit Funding.
And I'm Tiffany Bentley with Laytar Realty.
Friends, it is time for you and yours to come and experience a taste of the lifestyle you'll get here at the Barley Flats District. We are hosting an open house next Wednesday, December 11th from 4:30 to 7:30.
This is really an opportunity for you to come and experience the lifestyle that these units have to offer with just steps to downtown. So come and enjoy an evening with us. There's going to be a live pianist and vocalist. There's also going to be fresh food, desserts, some drinks. So come and just enjoy a really fun evening here at the new Barley Flats District located on the corner of A and Almond.
We'll see